Hi, money makers, and welcome back to the channel. Can you believe that you could actually make up to $125,000 working at Waffle House? Well, sit back and relax, get a pen and paper out because I am going to blow your mind regarding the opportunities for making big money at Waffle House. Let's get right into it. So there are many opportunities at Waffle House. I know many of you, when you think about Waffle House, you think about being a server or possibly being a cook, and those positions are well needed and they definitely are good positions within the company. But what I want you to think about, if you are a person who actually has a desire, even if you don't have experience, but you have a desire to actually work in a restaurant, and you also have a desire to work in leadership, well, Waffle House is the place for you. There are so many benefits, and we're just gonna discuss just a few of those benefits, but I want you to start thinking about these things because when you think about Waffle House, think beyond the cook and the grill as well as the server. And I want you to think about in those leadership roles, you really can make big money. Regarding their benefits, they do have stock options that are given within a short period of time after being hired, as well as with every promotion. So when you are promoted, as you continue to go up, they will continue to provide you with additional stock options. There's maternity leave up to 6 weeks. They have a training program. So get this, they have a training program. It's called Waffle House University. And at the university, they will provide you with the fundamentals and the foundational skills that you need to lead. Let's talk a little bit more about this big money, right? The very lowest part of management is the actual management trainee. And that's a person with little or no experience, and you're willing to actually come into the restaurant business and learn everything that you will be responsible for. So you will learn how to cook as well as to serve within the environment. Also, in addition to that, you'll learn the different phases of the organization. So there you have it. Those are the opportunities available to you as a management trainee. Now, the money is not as great at this level, but it's definitely comparable for the same type of role and experience in other environments. The next level of leadership is the unit manager. Now, the unit manager makes up to $71,000 a year. You're responsible for the store that you're actually working at. So you work at a restaurant and you have that one restaurant that you're responsible for. You're responsible for not only the staff, but also the operations of that one store. The next level of leadership is that of the district manager. District managers are responsible for 2 to 3 different stores. So you have 2 to 3 different unit managers that you're responsible for, but the salary goes up to $108,000 a year. With that $108,000 a year, you'll continue to get some training from the higher levels. You will also get the stock options. I know, guys, I keep saying stock options because it is imperative that you understand how great stock options can be if you are in a role that provides that type of compensation. Money makers, the most money you can make is at the division manager level. Now, that level is definitely responsible for multiple district managers. In the division manager's role, you are responsible for training and coaching the division managers. You're also responsible for training and making sure that the staffing is appropriate for your different stores, working directly with coaching and leading and providing leadership to your district managers who will then provide that to their staff. So you are at a higher level, but you're also getting compensated at a higher level, up to $125,000 a year. That is bananas in terms of the amount of money some of the other restaurants are paying. And on top of it, you get the stock options. I know it, I keep saying it, stock options. Now I want you to say it with me, stock options. If you are looking for any type of job, I want you to always ask about the stock options because it is huge. It will definitely be to your advantage over the long period of time. So there you have it, guys. If this is of interest to you, and you want to make that $125,000 plus stock options and all the other benefits that we've discussed, then go out to www.wafflehouse.com. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.